Going to the doctor can be a frightening experience for the little ones. A comfortable treatment chair relieves some of the stress that comes with a medical examination or procedure. Treatment chairs powered by precise linear drives are an innovative solution that address both clinical demands as well as patient safety and increase the comfort of the patient. It doesn't matter whether it's a human, feline or canine patient. Height-adjustable examination couches simplify the medical checkup for all involved parties, even at the veterinary clinic. Treatment tables offer so many benefits. They can be adapted for each treatment as needed and adjust effortlessly from a lying down to a sitting position. Adjustable examination chairs offer the ultimate convenience and ensure professional patient care for all medical specialties and practices. Supporting a thorough treatment is our mission. Dewert, your specialist for drive and system technology.